Ferguson TO35, and today we're going to be replacing some shifter boots. So let's go ahead and get going. Alright, so these are taper fit, taper thread for the two knobs here. I like to use these soft strap wrenches. This is a Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight, but I'll drop a link below to where you can get these. I like these because versus like vice grip or anything like that, you know, you're not going to be tearing up the plastic here. Not that it's the end of the world. I mean, you could get a replacement, but you know, you don't want to chew it up if you don't have to. So pretty easy with this. Well, easy if you have two hands available to you. I'll film with one and you can watch the struggle. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll edit this out. All right, these are our shifter knobs off. These boots are pretty easy. Just wiggle them right up and off. Nothing magic there. You can see it's got a little bit of grease in there, a little bit of water. You can see a little bit of water contamination in there. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean that up a little bit and put some more grease just around that top just to help seal that up. And same process up here for the main shifter. Whatever, you can do it. So those are cleaned up real good, especially focused on, I got, grabbed a cloth and cleaned around there real good, that straight neck there, because that's where the boot actually seals. And then I went through and just put a little bit of grease down in there, not a bunch, get some extra off there, just to help seal that up. And you can see the difference between the old and the new there. The new one's a lot tighter up here. That's going to seal a heck of a lot more watertight around the shaft. Pretty intuitive. This just slides down. All right, so there you have it. The second one's on. Took a little bit to fight that one over the bottom. One note, it's about 90 degrees out here today, so very hot summer day. If it's wintertime and you're doing this, definitely go ahead and warm these boots up before you go try to do it. It'll make a heck of a lot more pliable and easier to go on there. So we're just gonna go ahead, thread those knobs on, and job is done. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate that. That helps me out the most. And if you pick up anything through those Amazon links, those are referral links, so I appreciate it. I get a very small percentage, but every little bit helps. So I do appreciate it if you do purchase anything through them. Thanks for watching and take care.